Insert the power cord. Insert the USB plug into both the machine and the computer. Turn on the machine. Put the RR2 into the engraving area. Select the appropriate connecting cable. Connect one end of the cable to the Y-axis terminal of the engraving machine. And connect the other end to the RR2. Position the RR2 correctly and keep it horizontal with the machine. Open the LightBurn. Select the configured machine in the lower right corner. Click on Laser Tools, Rotary Setup. Click to switch to roller mode and turn on Enable Rotary. Use the focal gauge to adjust the focal length of the laser module. Drag the engraving image into the engraving area. Set the picture orientation in advance. Set the engraving parameters. Click on Frame to view the engraving area. Click Start, and the laser module begins to engrave.